Hello friends, today we are going to study about inverse trigonometric function and also we are going to solve the questions about this. So before solving the questions, let us know what is the trigonometric function. What is inverse trigonometry? So in mathematics, the inverse trigonometric functions are the inverse function of trigonometric function. Especially they are inverse of sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant functions and are used to obtain the angle from any of the angles trigonometric ratio. So this is the basic definition of inverse trigonometry. Along with this, we'll see the questions. So our first question is, find the principal value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So let's start. So let's assume that x is equal to sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So what will be the value of half? See, if sine goes to that side, like this sine will go over here, then what will this happen? Or else we take sine on the both the sides. So what will happen? Sine x will be minus half. So minus half, like half is the value of pi by 6. We all know that. So, and minus as it is in fourth quadrant. So, minus half is the value of minus sine pi by 6. So, the minus as sine theta is equal to minus sine theta. So, it's like minus sine minus pi by 6. We know the principal range of sine inverse, that is minus half to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So the principal value of sine inverse half is minus pi by 6. Thank you.